Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change Binance email address. If you'd like to update your email address for Binance, then simply keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. Now let's jump right into the video. Open up a web browser of your choice. And in the web address bar that pops up at the very top of the screen, type in www.binance.com and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you log in, go to the profile icon in the upper right hand corner of the screen, and once you mouse over to that, you should see a pop-up menu. Click on Security. Inside the Security tab, you should see several menus appearing right under two-factor authentication. You'll be able to see an option that says Email Address Verification. Right where it says Change, give it a click, and if you want to change your email right now, withdrawals, P2P sellings, and payment services will be disabled for 24 hours after you make this change, and you are not allowed to register for a new account with the old email address within 30 days after removing it from this current account. Click Confirm to proceed further in the pop-up. Now, type in the new email address that you want to change to in the first text box. Make sure that you type in the valid email address. Once you type in your email address, right where it says New Email Verification Code, click on Get Code in order to receive a verification code in your new email address. Now, go ahead and open up your email. In your email inbox, you'll be able to receive an email from Binance. Click it open and copy the code that you received. Go back to the email verification page and type in the code. Under security verification, you'll need to type in the 6-digit code received by your previous email address. Click on Get Code to receive it and open up the new email that you received from Binance and copy the verification code. Type in the email verification code in the text box and then you'll be taken to a next page. Here, you have completely changed your email address to a new one. Now you can go and click on this login button. Next time you log into your account, you'll need to type in the new email address that you just changed to. Type in the new email address that you just changed to and then type in your password in the next field. Click on Login after you're done entering your credentials. Complete the puzzle piece and you'll be logged into your Binance account with the new email address. That is how you can easily change your email address for Binance. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.